Welcome back. We are about to resume our journey, so please settle down. We hope your visit to Tinogdan was fun and educational. Tinogdan first opened in 2008 after 2 years of planning in coordination with local architects, artists, anthropologists, and bumads. It is a work in progress. On your far left is another view of Davao City, the Davao Gulf, and Salmon Island, where our sister resorts, Ana Marina and the Island Luna Vista are located. Brochures for these resorts are available at the front office. You may also follow us on all our social media. To your right is our organic herb garden, where we grow various herbs and spices, which we use in the Vista restaurant. Welcome to Lola's Garden. Lola is Filipino for grandmother. This garden, you will find plants and flowers traditionally grown in Philippine gardens. This is our third and final stopover before returning to the nature center. You have 5 minutes to roam around.
Last stop naman eh.
Picture mo sa Carabao. Picture.
Pwede mo picture group picture sa daw. Kuya. Kuya, group picture sa.
Ayaw na.
Oh, group picture mo sa Carabao, ma'am.
Overlooking.
Cuckoo. Marika. Wow.
Okay, for a while. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. O, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go. O, tanan, saka ang kamot. Saka ang kamot. Itaas ang kamot. On 3, apil ang tiil. Sabay, nga. Nga ha. Nga. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, o, tanan, talikod. Nya, inyong right hand, itudlo ninyo sa sky. Okay, o, itaas jud ha. O, walay mga tawa ha, kay walay camera dira. O, walay mag-smile. Okay, on 3, mulingi mo, sabay na kuratan. Ingani, ma'am ha? Sabay na kuratan. Okay. O, 1, 2, 3, go! Okay.
Talang sa balanghoy ano.
Paglubok po tayo, picture sila ang lubok.
Oh, paglubok.
As
As a couple. First time as a couple. As a husband and wife.
Really, maglubok daw ba? Video ba nga naglubok? Pulihan na yan. Check.
Sige, natay Corey. Okay,
Video.
ako na.
Wow, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Paspas na.
Huwag man ay force.
Na may balanghoy.
Doon sila ta para naibugas na puhon.
Naipakaon sa pamilya.
1, 2, 3.
Look, baby, kuya. Ang bagi ba yan, ha?
Kita na po di.
Galing ang bugas.
Kuya. Kuya.
Bali, mani.
Sige lang, gudoy, pictorial.
Kana o, dako mo diya. Sige. Lobok.
Ayaw pagtanaw sa kuan.
Lobok, bohol.
Video. Sige na, sige para moving. Dito ka nga, dito ka.
Sige.
Ana.
Lobok, bohol.
Ay, tanaw din.
Lobok, bohol. Oy, naabog na ang lobok.
Oh, smile. Pulihanay mo, lubok ang
Sige,
batso.
sige.
Dili magdungan.
Sige.
Di mo, video ni, dili.
Video, video.
Ikaw na.
Aho. Oh, ano? So, pila na. Hindi ka ba loko?
Group picture, ma.
Ah, sige po. Siya
Wishing well.
Sige ta. Tara siya, kita sa upan. Lima. May lima kaya.
Wrong move, dito mo. Okay, one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa. Okay, closer.
Welcome back. We are about to resume our journey. So please, settle down. On your right is our Pine Lodge, one of our family cottages. If you wish to stay here, on your left are more of our organically grown vegetables, which are available in selected supermarkets downtown. Remember to look for the convenience. Coming up ahead is a clump of Dendrocalamus asper, or more commonly known as the Philippine giant bamboo. You might observe that this particular clump have grown so tall that they are bending over and creating a natural archway. On your left is our log cabin, another one of our family cottages. If you wish to stay here or in any of our other accommodations, you may book at the front office or call our sales and reservations office. For more information and to stay updated on our promos and events, visit our website at www.edenaturepark.com.ph and follow us on all our social media. To your right are the gardenia rooms. If you wish to stay here or in any of our other accommodations, you may book at the front office or call our sales and reservations office. For more information and to stay updated on our promos and events, visit our website at www.edenaturepark.com.ph and follow us on all our social media. Now, it's time for another brief history lesson. Did you know that Eden wasn't always a resort? Aside from the massive reforestation, the owners also operated a banana plantation within the area. Rest houses for both the owners as well as some of the executives were also constructed. In the early 1990s, the whole area was reclassified as an ecotourism zone. A few years later, Eden Nature Park was over 90%. And above it is the garden hall, one of our large function areas. The village was designed to cater to special group functions, particularly workshops and seminars. You will also find in here our front office, business center, our begonia rooms, and 2 more function areas. Third, science space. Seminars, and living activities. For executives, you may call our sales and reservations office. Almost at the end of our journey. We are now on our way back to the Later Center. own inspirations. Here in Eden, we offer you a variety of activities to do and attractions to see. Catch your own lunch at the fishing village, visit our butterfly garden, bird walk, and fernery. Under our bamboo maze, enjoy our delicious cuisine with garden salad vegetables that we grow on our own at Vista Restaurant and Cafe Vista. So many things to do and see, one day is not enough. So we encourage you to book a room, cottage, and stay the night. You may book at the front office or call our sales and reservations office. For more information and to stay updated on our promos and events, visit our website www.edenaturepark.com.ph. Follow us on all our social media. We have reached the end of our journey. We hope you found it fun and educational. Thank you for visiting Eden Nature Park and Resort. We hope you come back soon. Mabuhay ug madayaw!
Ano yung Coco Melon? Watch ng mami. Mami, mama. Mami. Mami.
Ay, kakita rin yung jacket mo eh.
Sabi, lungkot mo.
Ay, suko, sorry. Oh.
Yung remaining 12.
Gago! Ay, bisan. Hindi na maduwa ni mo. Sige na. Beautiful eyes.
Di ba happy kayo sa mga?
Di pangit oh.
O, tara, imo Mountain Dew.
Oh. Isa pa man.
Ilalakay na ko na. Dapat ko ilak.
Kulang na
Tugo!
lang. Best friend sa mga ba?
Mono eyes.
No? Oh, friends na me. Di, tanawin mo sa Google Map.
Dili tanawon niyo sa Facebook, i-post mo to.
Oh, na-post din eh.
Oo, bago ni nakabalo. Oh, bago.
Ako wala dun. Always right ba? Always right.
Dari ko magi.
Sige, tira kaging.
Oh no! Lolo! Magsunod-sunod ako.
Bakalak ka din.
Hala, feel ko si Jack at wala, dead end. Wala. Sayop ta. Redex. Dead end.
Oh no!
Ah, nag-study naman si Jack ani.
Wala, madawag yun. Madawag yun. Hindi, masaag.
Okay, buwan.
Buwa pa kayo.
I can see you, Jack.
Masaag.
Saan naman eh? Nagsunod-sunod ang mini mo, Jel. Asa naman eh? Basa man. Oh no.
Dulas to.
Slide, slide. Nauna ka, Jack?
Jack, oh, naunang ko. Second.
Katulungin na sa ag.
Yay!
Mag-Indianan na lang.
Sige daw, pakita natin. Sudugo nila nang ipatubo.
Wala pa gi-open. Bago.
Uy,
Cellphone.
yun sa kanil pagbuhat mo. Dito kanina. Siguro ka ng template.
Giplan out na nila.
Right.
Right.
Ayun.
Tama ako, right. Personahan ka.
Kasi nag-20 minutes na siya dara.
Yeah.
Asa naman siya?
Wala, ayan.
Nawala mo siya. Tara, tara. Bukat yun siguro ang isakay diha ba?
Side mo niya, makambak. Sige daw. Yan ang side niya, makambak.
Bago, dilo ni mahulog ana siya. Style murag papuli.
Bali.
Gani siya hit stopper. Stop that! Sige, mag-ambakan po niya. Or double jump.
Dali siya, kaya mo ni. Kaya mo na tabok. Sige daw.
Ikaw sa una. Dili na may marag taas ko raw ka na.
Kana o, ato.
Sabi na sa Spartan.
Bantay ka.
Ay, dili ko na kayo kabuko.
Okay lang. Drug man yata ang upper body.
Kuan ko heavy.
Gusto niya pagpaspasay.
Sige daw, sige daw.
Sige, dapat taiman.
Dili, basta makambak.
Dili taiman pa. Dili na lang yung bag.
Dili na makapot ang bata ano.
Dili na may ato. Playground na rin.
Bili ni mo si Rigo dali.
Hello, uy. Diri? Sige, taiman. Ikaw na siya eh. Asa mo pumato?
Dili na, oy diretso na diri. Ambaki na ba?
Angelica, tayo man dali mo. Siya kabot.
Sige, ready?
Gawa ka pole lang.
Saka sa.
Di, kaya mo naambukan.
Sige, apil na ambak sa count.
Oh, sa bagyan, sa bagyan.
Oo na, kaya kapat ka.
Okay na lang,
Pusod-pusod.
kita na yung mukhang kigul. Sige, ready? Go.
Ay, yung sabay na lagi ang ano. 1, 2, 3, go niya.
1, 2, 3, go.
Spasa, oy.
Oh,
4 seconds.
4 seconds.
Oh, next challenge.
Oh, next challenger. Ayun,
Wala na.
ilap lang.
4.8.
4.8 na to. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Ah,
Again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Ah!
416. Oh,
Kailan
happy.
siya?
418. Ikaw daw kuya. Di bago ka balo. Sige daw, ready. Wala pa.
wala pa, Nani.
Dili na ko hinay kay ko.
Sige. Sige, try naman ako kanina.
Video eject.
Tawa na.
Ikaw daw, Dex.
Sige, sige.
Bantaya kayo maligyas.
For kids na rin mo saka.
Oh, sige.
Wait lang. Video hindi ka.
Uy, wala ko yung grip. Uy, takas man kayo.
Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Paulog na ko.
Wala mong ilibitay.
Ayun na, uy.
Dati Arian na.